Amidst the ongoing US-China trade war, something rather unexpected has stolen the show. Social media has turned into a virtual boxing ring with Chinese users and their fans taking jabs at the US. The latest punch, a seemingly harmless red dress worn by White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt. A picture of the 27-year-old in a red dress with black trim caught the attention of Chinese envoy Zhang Zhisheng. He posted it on X along with screenshots of a Weibo user claiming the lace was made in a factory in Mabu, China, where he was employed. The post took off fast, and people were quick to call out Karoline for wearing a dress made in China while backing tougher trade policies. The dress apparently made its debut at a White House press conference on 31st January and now stars in her Instagram profile picture. As expected, some Americans were not having it. A few cried fake news, saying the Weibo user must have mixed it up with the knockoff. But Zhang stood his ground, saying the dress looks like it's from Self-Portrait, a UK-registered brand created by a Malaysian Chinese designer and made in China. Others took a lighter view, joking, soon a whole lot of those dresses are going to say made in Vietnam or made in Mexico. The drama around Karoline's outfit comes amidst rising social media chatter about how many luxury brands quietly use Chinese factories to produce high-end handbags and expensive goods. Meanwhile, Chinese news channel China 24 recently revealed that a factory in China has been producing merchandise for Trump's Make America Great Again campaign since 2016. Okay, coming back to the dress, what do you think? Was Karoline Leavitt really flaunting a made-in-China dress? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Showsha for more such trending drama.